In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Shopify gift card. Whether you've received a gift card as a present or you're looking to redeem one on your favorite platform, understanding how to apply it properly can enhance your shopping experience. So, let's dive right in. First and foremost, make sure you have your gift card at hand. You'll need either the physical card or the digital version sent to you via email. It should have a unique code, and that's what we'll use to redeem it. If it's a digital gift card, ensure your internet connection is stable and that you have access to the email account where the card was sent. Now, navigate to the Shopify merchant store where you want to use your gift card. Browse through their products and add your desired items to the shopping cart. Remember, it's always a good idea to double-check the cart to make sure you've selected the right size, color, or any custom options available. Online shopping can sometimes be a bit overwhelming, but taking a moment to review your cart can save you from any buyer's remorse later. Once you're ready to make your purchase, proceed to the checkout page. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a field labeled gift card or something similar. It might also say discount code. It's specifically for entering your gift card code. Carefully type in the unique code from your gift card. Be sure to avoid any typing errors to ensure the code is applied correctly. If you have your code on a digital platform, a simple copy-paste method can save you time and prevent errors. After you've entered the code, look for a button to apply it. Click on it and watch as your total amount adjusts to reflect the gift card value. If your gift card covers the full amount, your balance should drop to 0. If not, you'll see the remaining amount that needs to be paid using another payment method. At this stage, ensure you're comfortable with your payment choices. Shopify typically allows multiple payment options including credit cards, PayPal, or other digital payment methods. Just go with what's most convenient or trusted for you. In some instances, you might find yourself with a remaining balance on your gift card. Don't worry, these funds aren't lost. Take note of the balance left, as you can use it in your future purchases until it's fully depleted. Always keep your gift card information in a safe place until you've used up the entire value. Remember, each merchant may have specific terms and conditions on the use of their gift cards, so it's always beneficial to check their website for any rules that might apply. With that, you're all set to enjoy your shopping experience with Shopify gift cards, making gift giving and receiving that much more rewarding. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!